This fridge looked terrible when it first came to our workshop. Dirty, damaged, and covered in stains. We decided to give it a second life. We painted it completely, top to bottom. But during the process, paint got on the door seals. So we cleaned every inch of it by hand. Now look closely. The bottom door, spotless. The top section, fresh and shiny. It feels like a brand new fridge again. It's not just a repair, it's a transformation. This is what real workmanship looks like. If we can do this with one old fridge, imagine what we can do for yours.